Hi, I'm Alyssa Furcus, Education Manager at the Lake County Forest Preserves. Today is World Environment Day, and did you know that Lake County is home to more endangered and threatened species than any other county in Illinois? Lake County is made up of a variety of ecosystems, including woodlands, prairies, and wetlands. These ecosystems provide habitats for these rare plants and animals. Part of our mission at the district is to protect and restore the natural communities that support this native diversity. Many ask what they can do to help. Well, today, take a moment to think about what you can do for our future planet. This is the generation that can take action and lead the way to restoration. Take time to evaluate your daily practices, your diet, your purchases, and the decisions that you make that impact the earth every day. It's never too late to make the necessary changes to help change our planet. Our goal at the Forest Preserves is to preserve and restore a diversity of habitats for future generations. One of the first steps is education. Learn more about your native ecosystems and join us for our virtual wildflower walk on June 15th, or for an in-person guided canoe paddle on June 20th. Happy World Environment Day.